Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Vix Goddess and I have another index that I am going to be analyzing today. So this morning I did an analysis on VIX 25. It played out right. Now I'm going to do an analysis on VIX 75 1S index. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Yo, boom, the king goes.
Okay, so first we try to identify what the market is doing. What is the market doing? All right. So based on what I'm seeing here, the market is going up. It's going up. All right. Our last high was here. This was our last high. And I realized that a low was created. Now price is going up. And this is what is happening. Let me show you a demonstration of what is happening here. So this is what is happening. All right. So this is what is happening. Now price is going up. We're expecting, we would have been expecting to buy, continue to buy with the market. But in this case, price has broken a low. And whenever price breaks a low in our uptrend, we know that it's a reversal. We know that we can start looking for a selling opportunity. All right. So in this case, as I say, so this was our high, got a high. Where is our previous low? A low was created right here. Okay. Now we realize that price broke this low. This low was broken, and therefore we wanted to give us a retest so that we can continue to push to the downside until the market decides to continue going back up. All right. So this is what we want to see now. All right. So I am waiting on the market to give me a retest back into this region. I'm not sure if it wants to head anywhere in this region. Whatever it does, I'm okay with it. But like I said in the VIX 25 video, what we are going to do is once you see price is heading up into this direction, we will have to go on our 1 hour time frame. All right. That 1 hour time frame now is going to give us uptrend market, and the uptrend is our friend in this case. So when we go on the 1 hour, we're not going to care about this section of the market. We're only going to care about this little move right there. Now what we want to see is, say for example, if price creates high higher high and higher low on the 1 hour time frame, right? So for example, price does this. What we want to see is for we want to identify our highs and our lows as the market moves. So this area would have been our a high, but what we're focusing on is we want to see a low being broken in this up move right here. So we're going to focus on identifying the low with our rectangle, and we want the price to break below this. All right, guys, when it breaks below, we want a retest. If we don't get a retest, once you see at least two bearish candle in this case, you can enter the market and put your stop loss right above the previous high. All right, and then you target the target. Just go towards the target here, right? So I'm just trying to really take my time and simplify this for anyone who is watching. I don't have a lot of views on YouTube as yet. But I'm literally here just making this with hopes that I will help somebody. You know, I remember I needed the help. I needed this kind of clarification. And to be honest, I didn't get it until I stumbled upon a YouTube video, and I kept watching the YouTube video over and over. And I also kept watching a lot of YouTube videos explaining to me what market structure is, how to understand market structure, because that is very important. All patterns, all this and that, I throw all of that out the door. I'm just focusing on the simple things, and I give God thanks every day for giving me this knowledge. You know, I persevere through the struggle of learning how to trade, and I can say that I'm quite gracious. I do have a huge amount of gratitude to the universe and the love that it has been given to me. Okay, guys, so back to this. I don't know why I stray. Okay, so yeah, so I want price to retest here. Anyway, if, as I say, if price don't do any retest, when you see market, when you see the candles going down, you go down on the 15 minutes and you look and you see two bearish candle close below this area. There's a possibility of you entering, but still always bear in mind market structure on every time frame. All right, bear in mind market structure on every time frame. So let me see if I'm missing out on anything that I'm supposed to tell you, because I stray a while ago. All right, so going back on the 4 hour time frame, as I say, we want to see price heading back up to this region. You know, I want to say this. Sometimes when you go on a 1 hour time frame, you won't see this. You will not see this. You'll probably just see price. So this is price now. You will just see price, bam, straight, and you don't see any upward movements happening. You just see like candles just floating way up like this, right? Like this movement here. In that case, what you should do is go down on the 15 minutes time frame. Because if you go on the 1 hour time frame and you don't see the uptrend that you want to see, because you need to see that uptrend. If you don't see the uptrend that you want to see on the 1 hour time frame, you go down on the 15 minutes time frame and you look for that uptrend. And you do the same thing like what you do on the 1 hour time frame. All right, guys. So you know what? I'm just going to end the video here because I don't want to confuse you guys. Simple does it. Okay. So good luck on your trading journey. Blessings and love. And I'm wishing you all the best. Bye bye. All right. So let us talk about where you would come out of the trade when you take your entry. What you need to do is look to the left of the chart, look for the key areas. So you're going to identify the key areas. This is what you're going to have to see. Once you see areas like this, those are key areas. And these are the areas where I want to come out of the trade. Okay. So let us see. Let's go on the line chart and see which area. But first and foremost, our first TP, let me go on the 1 hour. Our first TP, that is if this market is starting its retracement right here though. I'm not sure if it's starting its retracement right here, because price can continue pushing down before it starts retracing. Price is still doing its thing in this very moment. All right, but your first TP should be anywhere where you see price start, where price retraced from. So if price was here and you start to see price up there, your first TP should be the low. Okay. If you want to delve deeper into the sell, you could look to the left and look for the area that price started moving fast from. So when we take a look, we can see that when price was here, it started going up. All right. Now let's look on our line chart. All right, we look on the line chart and we see that key area. We see where this, that, we see that. So yeah, so this is a key area. So this also could be a next possible TP area. So one and two. Now let's just sit back and watch how the market plays out. All right, guys, bless up.